In this video, we will look at how to make a mesh into a desired shape using a float curve node. First, add a subdivide mesh node to increase the number of vertices. Raise the level to 5 to see the effect accurately. Add a set position node to change the position of each vertex. Connect by adding a position node and a float curve node. Transform the mesh using a float curve node. Add a separate XYZ node. If we add a combine XYZ node and connect it to a Z socket, we can transform the mesh according to the shape of the graph. Add a map range node to precisely match the shape of the overall graph. If the from-min value is entered as -1, the mesh can be transformed according to the shape of the float curve.